Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my channel. Hope all is well. Alhamdulillah, I am good. Today I am here with new video and new content. First of all, if you are new on my channel, first subscribe my channel, thumbs up my video, share my videos with your family and friend. Today I am in Sam's Club and I am here to buy some grocery and kitchen stuff. You can get some ideas for gifts and to buy some household products from my videos. So don't miss my video, watch until end. I gonna show you the all stuff which I gonna buy and you can buy from this store. You can see the huge collection of diamond ring. I love the design they have. If you are interested to buy stuff for the gift for her, it will be the good place. They also have the huge collection of perfume. They have different kind of brand like Gucci, CK, Romance, Michael Kors in pretty good prices. You can see. You can see the Gucci price is 74. It's not like too much expensive. It's pretty good price. And they have huge collection of earrings, necklaces and rings too. Let's move to the next. They have pretty good and huge collection of all clothing stuff. They have the baby stuff, ladies, girls, gents and boys. They have shoe collection too in pretty good prices. They have good summer collection and some fancy stuff too. Stay with me until end. Don't miss my video. I am here in the kitchen session. They have huge collection of pans. They have long lasting heavy duty non-stick pan on pretty good prices. I love to buy my kitchen stuff from here. They also have the stainless steel pans and the dinnerwares. Here you can see the huge section of grocery. I love to buy from Sam's Club. They have all kind of veggies, fruit, cakes, bakery items and also dairy products and some frozen stuff too. They have meat, fish, frozen and fresh too. They have different kind of fish. They have cooked and uncooked seafood, meat, chicken breast, turkey. They have all kind of meat, I think so. Look at fresh. And this one is the cooked meat, fish and some veggies and salad. You can get your dinner, lunch from here in pretty good prices. I gonna stop here for a moment. I love flowers and they have beautiful flowers in pretty good prices and they are really good and fresh. Wow, I love these. I can spend half an hour to watch these beautiful flowers. I'm gonna buy some disposable plates. Disposable bowls. They have all kind of kitchen stuff. I gonna buy some aluminum tray and some baking tray. They have heavy duty pans in separate, spoon. Even they have all kind of baking pan, baking trays. I hope today video you like. I'm here to buy some olive oil and some oil for frying. Usually I use the vegetable oil for frying stuff and the olive oil for cooking stuff. They have all kind of oils, vegetable oil, canola oil, pretty good, extra virgin olive oil. They have pastas, pasta sauce in pretty good prices. And they have all kind of kitchen spices. I gonna buy some dry garlic and ginger. They have Indian, Pakistani, Bangladeshi, Asian, Chinese spices in pretty good prices. हाँ जी, तो मेरे दोस्तों, आज की वीडियो अगर आपको पसंद आई है तो वीडियो को लाइक कर दो, शेयर कर दो अपने फैमिली और फ्रेंड के साथ। तो आज मैंने थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट किया कि मैंने सोचा चलो थोड़ा इंग्लिश में वॉइस ओवर करते हैं, मुझे भी मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस थोड़ा पता चले। उर्दू तो हमारी नेटिव लैंग्वेज है, उसमें तो बोलना बड़ा इजी होता है, बस कैमरा वो उठाया मोबाइल और बोल दिया। तो आज मुझे कुछ सोच सोच के बोलना पड़ रहा था, तो इसलिए मैं कम बोली हूँ और ट्राई की है कि अच्छा बोलूँ। अगर तो आज का व्लॉग आप लोगों को पसंद आया है तो जल्दी से लाइक कर दें और शेयर कर दें अपने फैमिली और फ्रेंड के साथ। और अगर तो आप इस तरह के शॉपिंग व्लॉग और देखना चाहते हैं तो कमेंट बॉक्स में मुझे फ़ीडबैक दें और मुझे बताएं कि आज की वीडियो आपको कैसी लगी है, कमेंट बॉक्स में बताएं। और इंस्टाग्राम पे भी मुझे फॉलो करें और फेसबुक पे भी मुझे फॉलो करें अगर तो आप अभी तक वीडियो देख रहे होंगे, क्योंकि काफ़ी लोग तो स्टार्ट में देख के भाग गए होंगे कि ये क्या कर रही है आज। तो अगर तो आप अभी तक देख रहे हैं तो बहुत शुक्रिया। तो अब मैं इजाज़त चाहती हूँ, शॉपिंग हो गई है। तो आप अपना और अपनी फैमिली का बहुत सारा ख्याल रखें, मुझे दुआ में याद रखें। अल्लाह हाफिज़, टेक केयर।